Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension which is specifically designed for testing out your code. It's a software testing AI code assistant. It does the testing of your software using AI. This is their website keploy.io, Keploy.io, and you can try this for completely free. They do offer the free plan right here. You can sign up for free, and the pro plan starts with $19 per month. So click on sign up and simply log in with your Google account. So once you sign up right here, after that you can simply install the VS Code extension. You can even try this right in the browser itself. You basically write the base endpoint of the URL that you want to test out. So quick start, you can give it a URL right here. So let's suppose I want to, here you can add the endpoints right here and test out your APIs right here. There is also this extension in VS Code. Simply install this, simply type Keploy. This AI testing tool will come right here. It's almost installed by 545,000 installs. So simply click install, and after installing it, right inside your VS Code, you will be able to do AI software testing. So go to this sidebar section and this Keploy tool will appear, and simply click on that. And after clicking this, you will see the welcome message. You can generate a unit test. So like this, you can end a endpoint here. So I can just give it this URL. This is a JSON placeholder API. So once you provide, after that, you click on that, click on generate API test. So as you can see, it's that easy. Simply inside your, just click on that, and so definitely try out this extension guys for software testing, testing your APIs in VS Code, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.